The following is an emergency alert. We now return you to regular programming.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
What have I done? Ooh. Alright, I'm done here. Have a blessed day, everyone. Let me just cut over to the end screen.